Let's take a look at signing in to the blended learning site for the very first time. First of all, start on our main school board webpage, click on the student toolbox and click on the blended learning e-learning. That's going to take us to our initial login page. Everyone has the same type of login. It's going to be your first name dot your last name. So I'm going to try one here. Demonstration dot teacher, and everyone will have a unique password that you can set. Log in. When you come in the first time, it's going to ask you to read the insurance agreement. Just click OK. We're hoping to get rid of this in the next little while, actually. I'm clicking no here, and I'll tell you the reason why. I put a little bit of a fun little tool on here for the kids, and sometimes the security on the system asks me if I want to open it up. Welcome to the Renfrew County Catholic District School Board online learning school. You're not in your classroom, you're in the school. You can see that I put a little fun tool up here for the kids and for teachers and for everyone. In this section is what we call our news section, and in the news section is where you can communicate with your students. In this case, I'm in charge of the news, and I put down some interesting things about how to get into the schools, into the classrooms, and some of the cool tools that are in here. You'll see that over here what I've done is I've put a homework help quick login for the students in grades 7 to 10, so they can access that. For teachers, you'll see that you'll have this ELO links. Inside that, you'll be able to click on any one of these links, and it will take you to the ministry site and will show you all of the high school or elementary school courses that the ministry has built. Down here, there's a direct link into the OERB for the teacher. No more sign-ins needed. And I've also included one for students and a direct link to Learn 360. Here's a calendar that if there's upcoming events, you'll see me post them here. When I scroll down, you'll see that there's a link here, and that is the link that you'll see that will take you into your online classroom. Sometimes students will have courses that are e-learning outside of our board. If that's the case, they will appear down here. If you're taking a course outside of our school board, it could be a possibility that it will show up right here for you. I'm going to go up to the top and take one look at a quick thing. There's a few tools here. When I click on the personal tools, it allows me to go to a blog, allows me to go to a calendar. It also lets me send an email. Inside of this system, everyone has their own email. There's two other tools here called ePortfolio and Locker. Locker is like an online USB key. I've given everybody, I think it's 500 megabytes of space. So if you're working on an assignment at home, instead of loading it to a USB key and bringing it into work, what you could do is just throw it into this locker, and then tomorrow pull it down when you're at school. The pager and the email tools will come in play when you're dealing with students inside of your course. ePortfolio is something I'll talk about in another little video. Over here in the administration tools, there's a picture library where we can create some pictures and store them in there for all of us across the organization. And then the rest has to deal with ePortfolio. Once again, we'll do that on another video. This section right here is called a navigation bar, and this little top section right here all across the top is a solid bar that will stay there all the time. It's got a quick link to any messages that are posted, a quick update alerts and chatter alerts, email basically, and this here is like a pager. And this is of course your little login. You can go to your account settings and you can change your password in there if you'd like and add a nice little picture. When you're done, you can just click this button and log out. So let's go down and take a look at what it would be like when we click on our course. Coming down here, what I do is I select the course that I want to go into and I just click the link. That's a separate video.